phenomenal. Please.
Here goes. So first and foremost, I do want to say this is kind of crazy, but I'm really not understanding. You know what I'm saying? If your neighbor has a, like right now because of the pandemic, like if your neighbor has a fence around their yard, okay? How does that stop someone from coming in? Like, I'm your neighbor, I'm so close, okay? I'm basically gonna come in. What I'm talking about is the fact that Mexico, that's right, Mexico, the wonderful land of hat dancing, Mexican jumping beans, and don't forget Speedy Gonzalez, they're still closed. Florida's been open, okay? Florida been open, okay? Like, I'm talking about open. Florida's on a whole new level of open. I don't think Florida knows what closed is what I'm trying to say. It's like, I don't think they know what closed is. They are wide open. Florida. Yeah, Mexico. Like, it's not a quick boat trip to go, like, right around customs and pull up on a Mexican shore. Like, I'm sure it's not that hard. Florida? No. There's a Gulf. You just need enough gas. Am I right? Like, all you need is enough gas and a fast enough boat. What do they call those boats? Cigarette boats. You just need a cigarette boat and be fast enough to move that gas. That's it. And to be completely honest about it, dude, like, it's not like a huge scenario, or it's not like a huge necessity to get around. Like, it's not like what I'm trying to say, I'm using the wrong words. It's not a big deal to get around customs and traffic them cocaine cowboy dreams. Like, it's not a big deal to do that. Like, I'm sure it would be in other instances, but it's not in this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, Mexico is closed. Mexico. Like, where it felt like that was like the last outlaw, Wild West. The place where they say you don't go to, what is it? Juarez? I remember, it reminds me of when I was on tour with Fresh Kills, DJ Universal. We were touring in this van right before it died on us, and it was surreal because they would tell us, don't go to Juarez. Whatever you do, don't go. I don't care if they offer you drugs. I don't care if they offer you money, beers. Don't go, because that's a trip you don't come back from. And they would tell us this. They would drill it in our head. Don't go, don't go, don't go. If you go to Juarez, don't pack like you're coming back. I was like, well, why the fuck would I pack for Juarez? It said it's like an hour, man. It's like Rochester. That's not far. You haul ass there, you haul ass back. It's not really that big of a trip. Except you'll be coming back with one less organ. That's the only trip. It's like, you'll have less body parts than you left with. And I feel like I need all my body parts. My mama gave these to me, and I'm not sharing. I don't want to share with anyone. They're mine, essentially. So, yeah. No, I can't see that being a great process. I can't see that being a great choice of action. You're gonna keep a place closed. Like, listen, doesn't that place like survive on American dollars? Like, the peso is worth 3 nickels and 2 hangnails. Like, what is what is the currency currently of Mexico? You know what I'm saying? Do they still base their currency off the flour tortilla? Like, what are we supposed to do here? You know what I'm saying? Mexico's closed, but Florida's open. You kidding me? All right. If Florida coughs, guess what? Mexico got it. Okay, that's all it is. That's all it is. You have to understand you are neighbors. Okay? Every time that Florida farts, Mexico's first to say whoever smelt it dealt it. Like, that's what happens. Like, that's what it is. I'm not buying the. I'm just not buying these statements that are coming out. And sit there and Mexico's closing its borders, like, as if drinking the water won't give you vicious diarrhea. Okay, calm down, Mexico. Okay, while your borders are closed, how about you go ahead and I don't know, clean the water a bit. Anytime an American has a sip, the first thing they remember is shitting themselves violently for an indiscriminate amount of time. So Mexico, I think you should calm down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to down Mexico. I like Mexico. I've never been to Mexico. Sort of like, you know, you like somebody that you've only heard of their name, and you know what I mean, that whenever they hang out with you, they serve you tequila. I don't know. I'm trying not to be stereotypical here, but I'm working with Mexico. If you drink the water, your stomach empties all contents. Like, if that's not a representation of why they should, I don't know, buy a Brita filter, work something out. Come on now, you're telling me your borders can afford to be closed, but you won't filter your water so that non-Mexicans can come there and spend their tourist bucks and not spend half of the vacation in the bathroom of the La Quinta Inn? Am I being stereotypical? I'm trying not to be. You get it? Oh, man. This is a sad background. I'm not gonna lie. This is a background of 100% loser. Like, I'm like, all right, well, how am I gonna make this mine? I took one of my hats with my name on it. That you'll see in my promo video. I took one of the hats with my name on it, and that's my background. This is where we're at. Welcome to step one. Like, I just started this, so for those of you who can't see on the podcast, I'm showing off my Mad Dukez hat. And also, if you can't see, I'm also showing off my poverty. Please. No. I want you to have a chuckle at this. I'm not trying to be serious. Yeah, man. This is the first time I'm doing video, and even if I go ahead and send them Patreon, I'm not gonna send it to Mexico because I know they're closed, and I can't even get a fajita out this bitch, or I can't get some Latin woman to mistake me for Dominican. Nothing. Mexico's closed, but Florida's open. Oh my God, dude. Like, they're so close, it doesn't make any sense to me. Like, you can go there. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Oh, man. Speaking of Florida, dude, the Buccaneers lost. And that, Tampa Bay, that's near Florida, right? Yeah, I don't pay attention to maps. Tampa Bay actually lost, and it was one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
Please, freeze.